Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at a open source video editor called OpenShot. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I'm in the Google search page here. So I'm gonna search for OpenShot and hit enter. There you go guys, this is the website for openshot.org. I'm gonna click this link. Alright, as you can see, we are in the website of OpenShot video editor and it is open source, and as you can see there is no pricing here. We can just make a donation. And when I look at the products, we've got video editor and they've got a cloud API and they've got the C++ library as well. Alright, when I look at the features, we've got screenshots, videos, and there is something about them, about the company and sponsors and the developers. Alright, so I'm just gonna click on download. Alright, I'm gonna download the .exe file. Alright you guys, the OpenShot.exe file has been downloaded. I'm gonna click here to quickly start installing. I'm gonna choose English and I'm gonna accept the agreement and click on next. I'm going to choose the directory and click on next, and I'm going to click on create a desktop shortcut and click on next and click on install. There you go guys, the setup is complete. I'm gonna check launch OpenShot video editor and then click on finish. Alright guys, I will expand this. Alright, so this is the OpenShot video editor's UI. This is pretty simple UI you guys. So I can just add my videos, just include it in the timeline and then start editing. It's pretty simple you guys. Alright, here we've got a little tutorial where we could start looking at the next steps, which is the project files area, which is the video preview area, which is the timeline area and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna hide tutorial at this moment. Alright, so I'm gonna just quickly try and drag and drop a few videos, like the video which we had done earlier. So I'm gonna just drag and drop real quick, and there you go. The video that we want to edit directly comes under our file preview area. And if I just wanted to include this particular video to my timeline, all I have to do is drag it and drop it over here. There you go. And also we could edit the dimensions of the video like this, and resolution changes automatically. I'm gonna click on undo right now and it goes back to the original position. Alright, so here we've got a slider where I can select a particular part of my video. As you can see, once I press the cut button, I've got a little line which allows me to actually cut the video wherever I want. If I place it somewhere here, there you go, we can actually cut our videos wherever we want. So this is pretty fantastic you guys. Alright guys, to exit from the cut, we just have to click on the scissor button once again. Alright you guys, again, for video creators out there, you should add some transitions. So here we've got transitions where we got nice transitions from one scene to the other scenes. So this is how we add transitions to our track. And as you can see, if I look here and scroll it down, we've got different tracks where we could actually add some of the audio. And let me add in the audio and show it to you. So I'm just gonna go to project files. There you go. I just have a .wav file, so I can just add an audio over here so that my audio also adds to the timeline. And if I need to edit this audio, all I have to do is right click and I'm gonna choose the volume. I can set the volume to any level I need, and also I can create fade in and fade out of the audio So I can also copy the audio. I can also set up the time, whether the audio has to be a normal speed or fast or slow. Even we can set it to backward, which is fantastic, you guys. All right, so if I don't want this particular audio, I'm just gonna right click again and click on remove, and there you go. So this is pretty easy working video editor, you guys, and it's completely free. It's open source. We've got a preview window, we've got a project file window, we've got timelines, and we've got options to actually cut our video, add some transitions, and also add audio. And we have audio features which enables us to reverse the audio, set up the volume, include fade in and fade out, which is fantastic, guys. So I really love this OpenShot video recorder. This is open source, you guys. Please remember that this is open source and it's free for everybody to use. There is no pricing whatsoever, and it's a decent working video editor. All right, you guys, after you completed the video, all you have to do is click on this button to actually export the video. So if you click on the export video option here, there you go, we get a window where we get to make it Blu-ray, DVD, or just in all formats. And the target format is a lot of formats available here, and the best format is, I think, is MP4. So I'm just letting it to be. And the video quality, we can set up the video quality. Usually it is set to the screen's resolution, and the quality is high. And if I click on it, export video here, it gets exported to my file name. It's really cool. The next thing is, if I click on the title area here, I can create an animated title using Blender. So that is really fantastic, you guys, because this has a actual connection to Blender where we can create an animated title. If I click on the animated title, we can actually include title animations using Blender, which is fantastic, you guys. So I'm gonna quickly click on cancel. And also, again, if I click on the title and just click on the title, we've got predefined titles where we can choose some of the titles to include it in our movie or in our videos that we make, which is really fantastic, guys. These are all pretty basic, normal video editing stuff, nothing fancy, but still very useful. Also, we can include some of the effects. So if I click on the effects tab here, we've got a lot of effects over here. We could blur out the video, we can adjust the brightness, we can actually pixelate, we can set up color saturation, we can create chroma key, color shifts, and add some hue, which is pretty interesting, you guys, which is very nice for an open source video editor. And also here, if you look at the noise, delay, echo, distortion, all these are audio editing features where we can actually edit our audio so that it has some special effects, which is also pretty nice, you guys. And my favorite is the emojis area here. As you can see, we could add nice looking emojis to our timeline. So this is pretty fantastic for somebody who wants to create a fabulous video with all the emojis and animation. Really cool, you guys. So I think this is one of the best open source video editors out there, and that is it from you guys. I hope I have given you a brief overview on OpenShot video editor and how it works and some of its features. So I really hope that you like my videos. If you like my videos, just subscribe and wait for the videos that I'm gonna post. All right, you guys, thank you. See you in the next one.